Okay, how do I execute the same code multiple times? This can also be done with for loops. It's executed until the condition is false. This is the condition right here. This is what happens after every iteration, after every execution. This is the index, this is the definition of the index, which is incremented here, which is increased each time. Okay, so if I type this, it will execute 10 times, as it's executed until I is increased to 10. However, if I was 100, then what was printed, and Chrome does this to avoid spamming the console like this. We're just going to print off I, see what happens. Bing, there we go. It prints off everything less than 10. And then undefined, this is something else that's not actually printed. It's just the result, what's returned from here. But we'll get onto that later. Define some more items. We're going to call this A, B, and 2. Why not? And then we're going to define a constant. This can't be changed. It's going to be called item of items. So we want to get every item in the array, and that will be set as item each time, so we're going to log that. What do you think is going to happen? The condition here is false. Obviously it didn't log anything, so if I set this to true, as it's already been defined, let's set it to true, it's going to crash. It's going to crash. While loops can execute code a certain amount of times until the condition is false. For loops can access array items or execute code a specific amount of times, but their syntax is not as good or clean as other loops, in my opinion. For of loops can execute for every item in an array, and the item variable is changed upon each execution, and that's it.